Gemini, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung naka-resonate kayo sa reading na to. Okay, let's see, Gemini. What's up? What are the energies coming to you? Okay, so this is your overall energy. Possible challenge, opportunity, and a blessing. Okay, meron tayong full moon in Gemini. December 15. Okay. So, I think, yung iba sa inyo, merong major changes or energy shift sa inyong life ngayong, especially ngayong full moon. Or within the second half of December. Because your overall energy is about leaving a situation na sa tingin mo, it's no longer serving your highest good. This can be pag-alis sa trabaho, sa relationship, or sa bahay na tinitirhan mo. Yung parang a person na, you can be someone na parang tiniis mo ang isang sitwasyon na hindi mo na kaya aalis ka na doon. Okay? So, yung iba, pwedeng sa bahay to na you are living in a very toxic household at na-realize mo na you want to live on your own. Yung iba naman, you just want to explore your potentials. Maaring na-realize mo na marami ka pang pwedeng gawin at hindi mo magagawa yun kung nandun ka sa sitwasyon na yan. Okay? What is the 8 of Cups? Oh, the High Priestess. I feel like you are divinely guided, Gemini. You are gaining more wisdom, clarity in your situation. So, whatever this is na iiwanan mo to explore new opportunities, this is meant to happen. Okay? This is meant to happen. With your challenge, you have the 9 of Pentacles. I think for some of you, this can be challenging yung pagsusolo ninyo or trying to be independent or, walking away from a situation. I see someone na, let's say, meron kang relationship na, itong relationship na to, codependent ka, na nakaasa ka dun sa partner mo. And then, yun nga lang, may mga bagay na kailangan kang tiisin sa relasyon na yan. And you've, nagtiis ka sa maraming panahon, no? But, dumating na dun sa point na you have to do it for yourself. Gusto mong makita kung ano pa yung potential mo, ano pa yung opportunity sa'yo. That's why you're leaving that situation. So, this can be challenging sa'yo sa una, okay? But rest assured na yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng mas magandang opportunities, a more stable situation when it comes to your finances. Let's say sa trabaho mo ngayon or career mo, hindi ka na fulfilled, it's boring, or you're not happy, feeling mo stuck ka, hindi ka na nag-grow. And then you finally realize na, ito na, kailangan ko nang iwanan tong sitwasyon na to. So, this will open new opportunities para sa'yo. At yung opportunities na yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng bagong experiences na you will be more proud of yourself dahil nakaya mo. With the Queen of Swords as your opportunity, this is clarity sa iyong isipan. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, you will isolate yourself, like tipong iiwas ka sa mga drama sa buhay, sa mga tao na toxic, sa mga tao na hindi totoo sa'yo, kasi I see you na mas nagiging very strong yung inyong intuition, yung inyong instinct. The Magician. You are stepping into your own power, Gemini. Alam mo na marami ka pang kayang gawin. And alam mo rin, yung iba sa inyo, realize nyo na hindi pa nyo pala kailangan yung tao na yan or situation na yan, na for the longest time, akala nyo dun lang kayo magiging safe or dun lang kayo magiging stable. But you realize na there's more to life. No? Marami pa kang kaya mong gawin, marami ka pang experiences na magpapatibay ng iyong sarili, no? With the Six of Pentacles as a blessing, you will be able to balance or live a well-balanced life, no? Na tipong may oras ka sa sarili mo, may oras ka sa trabaho mo, hindi ka parang nabuboard, no? Hindi ka overworked. So, nasa gitna lang, no? And the Six of Pentacles is also getting the things that you need. Okay? With the Five of Cups here, I think may mga times kasi naisip mo na ay nakalipas na sa akin yung na miss out ko na yung opportunity. Hindi mo siya na miss out. Ibig sabihin lang hindi mo nakuha yun kasi hindi talaga para sa iyo yon. And I feel like the blessing here is you will be able to get what you really deserve. Whether this is a relationship, sa career, sa business, your finances, your situation. Okay? You will be finally getting what you really deserve. And magkakaroon ka ng realization na kaya ko pala hindi nakuha yon or na-miss out yung opportunity na yon kasi hindi talaga magbibigay sa'yo ng contentment and happiness. Exchanging gifts. So, pwedeng meron kang re-regaluhan or matatanggap ka na regalo. Itong regalo na to magpapasaya sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo regalo na may magre-regalo ng alagang pusa, aso, or anumang hayop. You also have to the sea. So, I think, iiwasan mo nang mag-resist sa pagbabago. You will connect to your instinct, your intuition, na yun yung magna-navigate sa'yo. Yun yung parang guide mo, no? Kumbaga parang Google Maps mo pagdating sa direction na tatahakin mo. Truth be told. So, I see this as like a clarity in your mind na nare-realize mo na, uy, meron pa palang opportunity sa akin. Hindi pala ako limitado. Marami palang pwedeng mangyari pa. Okay? Maaring nakikita mo na ngayon kung ano yung totoo. Let's say, sinabi sa company nyo na, in 5 years, maari kayong ma-promote or lalaki yung sweldo nyo. Pero after 5 years, walang nagbago. So, nagkakaroon ka na ng clarity na, ay, scam pala. Or, ay, chismis lang pala yun. Or this can be learning about the truth sa isang tao. So, once na nalaman mo yung katotohanan tungkol sa kanya, you will realize if you are willing, handa ka ba na tanggapin yun, or, you will just walk away. Sa money, career, finances, look at that. May windfall, unexpected fortune is about to come in your life. May parating na unexpected fortune. Yung iba sa inyo, manggagaling to sa marketing, sa online selling, or anything related to the internet, pwedeng content creation, using your talents and abilities. So, sa love life, let us see. Unrequited, naku. I think, yung iba sa inyo, na-realize nyo na kayo na lang nag-e-effort sa relationship at yung person nyo ay hindi. Kaya yung iba, maaring aalis kayo sa situation na yan. Hidden secrets can harm you. O baka ito yung na-realize mo, na natuklasan mo, yung mga itinatago sa'yo, na nung nalaman mo, yun yung parang last straw mo na, okay, I give up. Ayoko na, aalis na ako sa sitwasyon na to. Pay attention to your health. So, yes, kailangan mo rin daw alagaan ang iyong kalusugan. And then, great passion. So, I think ito yung mga ipupurso mo. What you are passionate about. Kung saan ka talaga mas inspired. Nandun talaga yung abilities mo na nagagamit mo yung iyong talento, yung skill set mo. Slay them all. Oh my God, ang lakas ng loob nyo. Gemini. So, you are really you are confident enough and you have this warrior energy. Okay? Ano man tong mga bagay, sitwasyon, mga nararamdaman nyo na pumipigil sa inyo para para mabago yung buhay nyo in a better way, tatanggalin nyo yan no? Magiging mas palaban kayo ngayon. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.